In this QMobile video, we're going to look at the single survey site notes and how to navigate through the pages. From the diary screen, pressing on the inspection tile for a single survey will take you to a new section of the application. The survey is laid out in an intentionally similar way to the other QMobile site notes. The icons on the left-hand side denote sections of the survey. Pressing the hamburger button at the top of the left-hand corner will expand the column to also show the names of the sections. Instead of breadcrumbs at the bottom of the screen, there are now subsection names at the top of the page where you can jump to a different subsection, either by tapping on the name or from the drop-down list on the right-hand side. The option is still there to swipe left and right with either your finger or stylus to move through the section. At the end of a section, the swipe function will stop working and you'll need to tap the next section that you would like to complete. Across the top of the screen, there are icons for a basic floor plan tool, a preview of the single survey as a PDF, the ability to take general photos against the case without leaving the site notes completely, and the mandatory alerts remaining before the survey can be signed off. At the bottom of the screen, there is a calculator that can also be set to other types of conversion if needed. Next to that is an icon of a paint palette. Here the theme of the site note can be changed from a white background to a black background. This can help with low or harsh light environments, but many find that the black background is easier to read as a standard. On the right hand side of the screen is another hamburger button for recording supplementary evidence. There are 3 options for each page. The first is to take a photo that will be associated with the page that was selected. Up to 4 photos can be added to each section. The second option is to add a sticky note to the page with typed notes. The final option is with a scribble tool to add freehand notes or drawings. A grid can be applied, and the option is there to edit the colour or size of the pen mark, to use a ruler or protractor if needed. There is also a basic level of editing available. Using an eraser tool or an undo redo button is also available if needed. Once completed, you just close the tool by pressing the icon and then the hamburger button to return to editing the site notes. To view any of this supplementary information, you can select from the status bar at the top of the page. It will also be present on the overall summary page.